Good morning, children. I, Miss R. Khalko, is going to teach you English 1 in class 1. This is your grammar book. The name of the book is Grammar Connect. This is the first page and this is the last page of your book. And today you are going to open page number 39, chapter 9. I'm going to teach you a, and the. These are called articles. And the. These are called articles. And you will also write the same way in your notebook, a and the and chapter 9. Now, the word a and the are called as articles. What are they called? They are called articles. Okay. Now, how to use a and the? Use of a when a word starts with consonant like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. So when the word starts with consonant, that means we have to use A in front of that word. Like example, a boy, a girl. Okay? Now, the use of an. Number 2. Use of an when a word starts with a vowel. Okay, when the word starts with a vowel, that is, what is a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. So when the word starts with a vowel, then we use an, okay, in front of the word. Example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream. Okay. Now you must you will also write in your notebook and you will read in the book also. Okay. Now I am going to teach you the use of the. Okay, the use of the. We use that word which is of one kind of it. Okay, which is only one in the word. That is, now for example, sun. We have only one sun in the word, so we use the in front of it. We cannot use a or we cannot use an. We cannot write an sun or a sun. We have to write the sun because the sun is one in the whole world. The same way moon. We have one moon in the whole world. So the is used over here. Okay. The same way Himalaya. The mountain Himalaya is only one. We use the in front of it. Now river Ganga. We have only one. So we use the. I hope you have understood now. Now we will understand with the help of the examples. Now activity number 1. Now, use a or an or the before the naming words. Okay. Now, number 1. Dash girl. What we will use here? We will use a girl. Number 2. Teacher. What we will use? A teacher. Okay. A teacher. Because these are the words which is starting from the word consonant. These are not vowels. Now, number 3. I. This is I. Now what we will use? A and or the. Because E is a vowel. So we will use an. A and I. Okay. Number 4. Onion. Now dash onion. O is again vowel. So again we will use an. Okay. Now number 5. Nut. Now N is not a vowel. It is a consonant. So we will use a nut. Okay. Now same way, number 6, dash bell. B is again a consonant, so we will use A in front of it. I hope you have understood. Now we will see that. Look at this picture. Write their names along with A or an before them. Now what is this picture? This is a rabbit. So what will be a rabbit? Now what is this picture? This is an ink pot. So again I is a vowel, so it will be an ink pot or an ink. This is sharpener. So it starts from S and that is a consonant. So we will write a sharpener. Okay. Now next number. This is an owl. So again owl starts with a vowel O. So we will write an owl. Now this is a toffee. Toffee. T is a consonant, not a vowel. So we will write a toffee. Elephant. Now this is a word starts with and vowel. So it will be an elephant. Understood? Now second one. Look at this picture and write a or an in the given box. Now here we have to write in the box we have to write a or an or the. Now this is what this picture is. This is a table. So it will be a table. This is giraffe. So it will be a giraffe. Now this is which bird? This is an ostrich. So we will write an ostrich because O is a vowel. Now this is Taj Mahal. Now what will be here? The Taj Mahal, because this is one in the whole world. So we have to write the Taj Mahal. Sun. This is also one in the whole world, in the whole universe. So again it will be a the. Okay. Now egg. It will be an egg because E is a vowel. Now turn your page, children. Now this is your homework, you will do it. Now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Number 1. Dad and I caught dash big fish yesterday. Dad and I caught a big fish. Okay, big fish yesterday. Number 2. Amar is drawing dash octopus. Amar is drawing an octopus. Number 3. I saw dash monkey in dash zoo. I saw a monkey in the zoo. Okay. Number 4. Have you ever seen dash emu? Now, have you ever seen, emu is the name of an animal. So, have you ever seen have you seen an emu? Number 5. We went to Jaipur to see dash Hawa Mahal. We went to Jaipur to see the Hawa Mahal. Number 6. He got dash phone call. One day he got a phone call. Rahul's cat was stuck in dash tree. Rahul's cat was stuck in the tree. Mr. Bhaskar went to see what had happened. He waved dash stick at dash cat. Okay. He waved a stick at the cat. The dash cat jumped. The cat jumped quickly into Rahul's arm. Okay, children. So I hope you have understood. Now, understood, children. So you will learn this. Okay, a, an or the nicely and write them in the copy what I have shown you. Okay. So thank you. All the best. Thank you, children.